Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking, what are retirees in Thailand? And before anybody sort of gets up in arms about this, I'm asking that it's in response to a prior video. We made a video, Nomads, Expats, and Immigrants. And basically I talked about, there's kind of a difference in paradigm and in thinking between a quote-unquote nomad or an expat or an immigrant. But I got a comment on that video. I got a number of comments and some correspondence, which caused me to go ahead and make this video. The comment, to quote directly, "I am not certain where I and many others who are retired here and would like to become a resident fit into your paradigm." And in other correspondence, I got kind of the same feedback, which is basically, I'm a retiree here. I don't know where I fit. Am I an expat? I'm not working. I'm not really an immigrant because it's oftentimes rather difficult for retirees to get legal, lawful permanent residence in Thailand or even nationality. And at the same time, I'm definitely not a nomad. And I didn't really think about that. And you know what? If I'm remiss in that, I do apologize to the retirees watching this channel. My thinking comes from a place of somebody far younger than a retiree, and so sometimes I don't really maybe put myself fully in your headspace as much as I should. But yeah, I didn't really think about that. But in a way, retirees kind of fall somewhere between expat and immigrant in that prior video's analysis. Insofar as I do think a number of retirees come here and just say, look, this is where I'm going to be. I'm here. Now, they're not working, so in the sense that the immigrant context, it doesn't quite fit, and the working expat context, it doesn't quite fit. But yeah, I do understand the way people might say, yeah, I can't really be pigeonholed into any of those three holes. It's somewhere between expat and immigrant. And unfortunately, as I said earlier, it's very difficult, in certain cases it may be impossible, for a retiree to ever become legally resident in Thailand in an immigration sense. But in all the ways that count, notwithstanding non-immigrant status, retirees in Thailand very much fit many of they have many of the attributes of an immigrant in Thailand, and in certain ways kind of the expat factor too. But I would say, especially with the long-term retirees I've known over the years here in Thailand, they very much fit more into the immigrant mold than the expat mold.